Okay, so hello, my name is Leslie Dick Samwin, and my metric number is BD220012. And I am from Group 1, Subject Process Control and Instrumentation. So today I will explain the procedure and the equipment of experiment 1, which is differential pressure transmitter and pressure transmitter calibration. Okay, so we jump to the equipment. In this experiment, there are several equipment that we needed. So first of all is pressure transmitter. Pressure transmitter is used to measure the pressure in a system, especially gases or liquid, and convert it into electrical signals such as 4 to 20 mA current loop or a voltage signal. And next is hand pump. So, hand pump is a manually operated device used to generate pressure or vacuum in a system for testing and calibration process. You're gonna squish it like this, the pump. And then next, differential pressure transmitter. It is used uh, to measure the difference in pressure between 2 point in a process system. Okay, for the next equipment, we got pressure gauge. So pressure gauge is used to provide a direct visual measurement of pressure within a system, typically displayed on a dial or digital record. So the pressure gauge is connected to the hand pump, so that we can measure the pressure that we needed just by pressing the hand pump, and by watching the pressure gauge we can indicate whether we want how many pressure that we needed. So next is the multimeter. Multimeter is a versatile instrument used to measure electrical parameters such as voltage, current, and resistance. So when we exert the pressure, and then there will be an electrical parameter show in the multimeter. Okay, so next is DC power source. As we know, a DC power source is needed to provide a stable and adjustable direct current, or we call it DC voltage, for powering the electronic devices and circuit. Okay, so these are the two last equipment that is needed in this experiment. Then, as we can see here, the pressure gauge. Uh, Actually, we have two pressure gauge because this pressure gauge can only exerted into one bar, the maximum pressure. And then the first one that we have at the previous slide, it can exert pressure until 20 bar. Okay, so lastly is the ohm resistor. So this is commonly used in analog signal loops, particularly with 4 to 20 mA system, to convert the current signal to voltage signal. And then this will allow the signal to easily read by devices like multimeter, data loggers, or controller. Okay, this is the procedure. Firstly, we connect the pressure transmitter as shown in the figure. So please ensure that the pressure unit and pressure range of the pressure transmitter are in line with the hand pump pressure. Second, gradually increases the pressure from the hand pump for a 5 point check at 0, 25, 50, 70, 75, and 100 of the span. Take note of the MA output. Fill out the calibration form with the MA output. Next, apply slightly more pressure than 100 and gradually decreases for a 5-point check of 100%, 75%, 50, 25, and 0% of the span. Fill out the instrument calibration page with the MA output. Okay, so for the fourth step, determine the span error. If the inaccuracy in span is less than 0.2%, calibration is not required, and the pressure transmitter is ready for installation on the process line. Next, calibration of pressure transmitter is required if the span error exceeds 0.2%. And next, the graph pressure versus current can be plotted and compared to the linearity of the graph. And lastly, we repeat the steps 1 until 6 for the differential pressure transmitter.